What's up, everybody? My name is Marissa, and in this video we're gonna go over how I made an extra 1,400 bucks fast, and I'm gonna give you the step-by-step breakdown and how you can easily duplicate it into your online business. So stay tuned. Welcome back to the video, everyone. I hope you're having an amazing day wherever you are. If you're returning to this channel, thank you so much for your support. If you're new to the channel, my name is Marissa Romero, and what you can expect are all things make money online on this channel. So I talk about things like e-commerce, affiliate marketing, sales funnels, email marketing, everything that could help you in building an online business. This channel has it, so if that's your jam, go ahead and smash that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and stay tuned for more content released on a consistent basis. Right now I'm posting pretty much daily, and that is what you can expect. Now, a little bit about myself really quick. I've been a digital nomad for all of 2018, right? And what that means is I can, at the drop of a dime, I can up and move my stuff and move and travel and work wherever it is I want in the world. So I was an engineer back in the day. I quit my job to pursue my online business, and just in December of last year I took it a step further and decided to go ahead and take my business worldwide and operate my business from simply a laptop and internet connection. And I want to be able to give you guys the freedom to do whatever it is you want to do, have that time, location freedom, and that is my goal, to teach as many people how to do what I do so that they can enjoy spending more time with the people they love, travel more, whatever it is. So with that being said, that is what you can expect. Now, what I wanted to talk about on this specific video was how I recently received a chunk of commissions, 1,400 bucks the other day to be exact, and I was like, oh cool. Like I didn't forget about the commissions, but it came when I least expected. I was like, oh sweet, this is cool. So, and what I did to make that chunk of change was I promoted a product in a fashion that is called launch jacking. And launch jacking means you research a product that is up and coming, that has not launched into the marketplace yet and that is not available. And what you do is you create a review around it or some type of content online where people are able to go look at it and access it. And then when they check out the product and read your review or watch your video review, you're able to make the sale and commission, because they'll most likely purchase the product through your link and then you get the commission. Now, this strategy is a little bit intermediate. It is beginner friendly because this is kind of how I got started with my YouTube channel, and building my presence online was with launch jacking, but it's totally doable for anybody at any skill level. And if you're a little bit confused, that's okay, because I have other videos on this channel that you can take a look, and other ways that I talk about launch jacking. So let's just get straight to it. So the first part of launch jacking is you want to understand your niche and who it is you're gonna, what product you're going to pick because of what niche you're in. So for example, if you know you're in the fitness niche, then you are going to select a fitness product to launch jack. Maybe you're in the motivation niche, or like me, maybe you're in the make money online, or better known as wealth niche. Okay? So there's always a product to launch jack in several different niches. So you just got to know what niche it is you want to do. Same thing with building an online business. Obviously, you have to hone in on what niche it is, for affiliate marketing as well. Then the next thing you want to do is, oh, I totally missed a huge step in here. Let me just draw one out really quick. So the next step in here, pretend, let me make this bigger, pretend this is right in between here, is, of course, you want to, let's see if I could do cool colors. Cool. Alright, so you want to, of course, pick a product. So this box, we're going to call it pick a product in your niche. Okay? And I'm going to show you guys an example of how to do that. So then once you do that, you're going to pick a platform where you're going to pre-promote this product, as I call it, because it is launch jacking. And what that means exactly, you don't need a list to do this method. That's why it's beginner friendly. And let me explain why. Because when super affiliates with, you know, 50,000, 100,000, 200,000 and above size lists, when they email their lists and they say, hey, check out this new product called XYZ, blah, 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 people are going to be like, oh, let me go do some research on this product. And where do they go? They go to Google. And then where do they go next? They go to YouTube. Okay? And people that are in position to have those reviews at the top of the search engine are going to receive the most traffic and the most sales. So now what I do to LaunchJack is, for my niche, because I'm in the Make Money Online niche, I come here to jvnotifypro.com, and you can create a free account to check out this website. But I love this platform because I do launch jacking maybe once a month just to generate a little extra income. But what I do is I pick a product that has, you know, solid founders, that is, you know, that has good metrics on it. For example, a lot of people know Anik Singhal. He's done a lot of work with Fred Lam, Robert Kiyosaki, a whole bunch of people in the space. So he has a product coming up, the 4 stages of becoming a successful entrepreneur. So that launch date is August 14th. Now today is July 28th, I believe. So now would be the perfect time to create a review video or something to launch jack this product. Now what I like to look for in this metric down here called clicks JV page is I like to look for numbers that are above 500 or more. So these numbers I know are going to go up because a lot of people know about Anik Singhal. But let's just take a look at another. Let's look at what other products are out here. That one's a little lower. Okay. This one is also going to be a good one. If you check out these metrics right here. Now, I don't know Andrew Hansen and Sarah Young. I don't know who they are exactly. But after doing some research, I figure out who they are and figure out what kind of product they're launching. So, and then right here, this guy, Mike Filsaime, he is a guru at launches and creating and product creation. So anything that Mike Filsaime launches is legit and will have great commission. So that is all the way in September 18th. Now, going back to this method, let's pick. Let's pretend we're going to do. Where is it? Let's pretend we're going to do this product right here with Andrew Hansen and Sarah Young, Digital Worth Academy. So we're going to pick a product, and if you guys are in the Make Money Online niche and you're confident enough, you want to go ahead and try this method, pick this product. I'm giving it to you for free. I won't compete against you, okay? So what we're going to do, let's pick a product. So Digital Worth Academy is what we're going to pick. Marissa can't spell. Academy. Boom. All right, so we have our product. Now we have to pick a platform. So you guys could either create a blog, which I highly suggest everyone have a blog at some point in their online career. I don't have one yet. That is in the works. But pick a blog or YouTube. Obviously, for this example, we're going to go with YouTube because that is what I have. That is my primary source of traffic in my business, okay? Then we're going to go and create a review video on this product. So what we're going to do is we're going to research about this product just a little bit. We're going to go to the JV invite page. So this is going to break down all of the affiliate resources and what to expect. So to apply, this is going to be a ClickBank product actually. So this product is going to be hosted on ClickBank, and when you get paid, you will receive the commissions from ClickBank. So now what you got to do is sign up to be an affiliate. And so you would just come here, put your name, email, and ClickBank ID. Hey JV, blah, blah, blah. You can read this letter. So why promote this launch? We have dedicated a combined 23 years to an evolving version of the same core business model, SEO, content driven, yada, yada, yada. So these types of products always have an affiliate manager, okay? I'm not sure who the affiliate manager is for this one. I'm trying to look for it. But that is kind of, once you sign up to be an affiliate, that is who you're going to communicate with throughout the launch of the product and afterwards to receive your commission. So what I wanted to do was show you guys on YouTube, when you type in Digital Worth Academy, you can see, or we can see, what is there. Digital Worth Academy. Okay, now check out this review video, and this one. There's only 3 review videos, guys. That is great, because that means there's plenty of room for you guys to make the first page of this launch. There's very, very, very low competition, and as you can see, this person only has 4 views, this one only has 1 view, this one only has 2 views. So this product is super wide open to be launch jacked, if that makes sense. Now, you may be thinking, well, I don't have a YouTube channel, I'm not sure what to create. Well, let me tell you one thing. You can create a YouTube channel where it's kind of broad, but it's still in your niche. So maybe you want to say something or call your channel something like, you know, Marissa's Internet Marketing Reviews for Entrepreneurs, or Marissa's Reviews for Online Entrepreneurs. Something that's broad, but still to the point. So like, same thing with fitness. It could be a channel, a fitness-based channel in health as well, and it could be like Marissa's health channel and product health fitness news, whatever. It could be something that's very broad where you can put review videos in it, but also other type of video content on your channel. So this is pretty cool. It's wide open. Now this person is already violating the affiliate rules because they're saying scam in their review title. Don't do that, because the rules clearly say that they don't, I think it's down here. Make sure you read these rules. Where are they? Don't promote constant, where is it? Don't use negative reviews. That is so 2013. If you're attracting attention with headlines like DW Academy is a scam, don't buy DW Academy, we'll have to discontinue your promotion. So make sure you read the rules of this launch before you actually become an affiliate, because that is super important. So a good title is, the best one out of the 3 is probably this one. This guy is promoting it. Let's see what his channel looks like. You know, I don't know. Okay, 900 subs. That's cool. So he kind of is in the wealth niche. This is kind of a general wealth niche channel, it looks like, okay? So that is an example. So let's go back to our whiteboard. So you're going to do a review video on YouTube. You're going to create a review video on YouTube. You're going to talk about the owners of the product, or not the owners, but the product creators. You're going to talk about what the product is about. You're also going to say kind of what to expect and how it can help your business. And you guys may be thinking, well, I don't know anything about the product. Well, this is kind of where the JV tools come into play, because a lot of people, and when a product launches, people, the affiliate managers could provide a script where it's called a review script, or in some cases they'll provide a demo account, and where you can have access to the product as a demo account, and you know, just for the purpose of doing a review. So but do your research, guys. Like, don't feel so scared and like, I don't know anything, where you don't do a video, but don't go on there and look dumb either. So you want to know a little bit about the people and the makers of the product. It's not hard. You only have to talk about it for like 30 seconds, okay? A good review video is anywhere between 10 minutes and 15 minutes. So that is the strategy you can use. So this is the next step, is creating the review. And then after this, to really increase your sales, you want to create bonuses. So you want to create a bonus or 2 or 3. Bonuses are simply to give somebody another incentive to work with you and buy the product through your link. So maybe your bonuses consist of like a half-hour call with you where you talk about advice, or maybe if they consist of a free ebook, a PDF that relates to the topic, just something that is more of an incentive to talk about or for them to purchase the product through your link. So let's see maybe what this guy's bonuses are. I don't know. I don't want to completely
what's up, everyone?
give this guy's channel away, but you guys can look at this later. But the way I would do it is look at other people's bonuses, and your bonus is going to be something that is complementary and acts as a nice supplement to the product that is being launched. So for example, if maybe it's like a video marketing product, you don't want to have a bonus where it's like e-commerce related, because even though it's make money online, e-commerce has nothing to do with video marketing. Maybe if it's a video marketing product, your bonus has to do with my best video marketing strategies of 2018, how to boost sales, or something like that. So make sure it's nice and make sure people are like, okay, cool, I would want to purchase through him or her instead of somebody else. So, you know, I hope this was helpful for you guys. Let me know if you have any questions at all in the comments below. And if you guys are interested, I have a free video training series that goes more in depth about affiliate marketing and this type of topics. You guys can check that out in the description below. Alrighty, and if you got any value at all from this video, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment below if you're ready to get started. And of course, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next video. Okay, bye!